Hi guys, in this video we will see how to factory reset your Apple Watch. You can directly reset your Apple Watch through your iPhone, otherwise you can directly reset your Apple Watch itself. So go to your Apple Watch menu and here look for the option settings. Tap on settings on your Apple Watch. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here scroll down and look for the option reset. Scroll down, it is available at the bottom of the page. You will find reset. Tap on reset. Erase all content and settings. Erasing will not remove activation lock and some other features. If you want to reset home screen layout only, then choose restore home screen layout. Otherwise tap on reset from the top right corner and your Apple Watch will be reset.